There is no practical obstacle whatever now to the creation of an efficient index to all human knowledge, ideas and achievements, to the creation, that is, of a complete planetary memory for all mankind.
For Wells, the world brain had to contain all that was learnt and known, and that was being learnt and known.
If you have access to anything that's been written, that changes your idea of who you are.
Here comes Google. They've got the energy, they've got the technology, they've got the money, and they said, we'll do it for you.
The Google Book Scanning Project is clearly the most ambitious world brain scheme that has ever been invented.
Il y aurait un grand danger à ce que Google ait le monopole de cette ambition.
A monopoly of access to knowledge.
Then we heard that they were scanning our books. They were scanning copyrighted books, and they hadn't asked anyone's permission.
Copyright liability in the United States can be quite extreme, $150,000 per copyrighted work.
Artist does not own their ideas. No artist does.
A book is not just an extra long tweet. That is not something that can be dissected, and the little minced pieces simply can't mean the same thing.
Me and my lawyer decided to sue Google. My journalist friend said, I even don't want to tell people I know you.
The nightmare scenario in 20 years' time would be Google tracking everything we read.
Google could basically hold the whole world hostage.